This factory turns 5,000 liters of milk into cheese in a single batch. Every step must be precise. One small error can ruin an entire production run.
Healthy cows produce high-quality milk.
Daily checks ensure animal well-being. Milk collection follows strict hygiene rules. Technology supports gentle milking. Milk flows directly into sealed systems. Fresh milk never touches air.
Milk is cooled instantly.
Quality is checked before transport.
The journey to the factory begins.
Fresh milk heads to cheese production. Speed preserves freshness.
This is where milk becomes cheese.
Hygiene is critical at entry. $5,000 liters per batch. Milk is purified. Temperature control is essential. Only approved milk continues.
Orange anymore.
Milk is prepared for transformation.
Pasteurization protects the product.
Fresh milk arrives at the cheese factory under strict temperature control. Every batch of milk is tested before processing begins. Filtration removes impurities to ensure clean milk. Pasteurization makes the milk safe for cheese production.
Precise heat control protects milk quality.
Milk is cooled quickly to prepare for culturing. The milk moves into vats for cheese making. Cultures begin transforming milk into cheese.
The milk ripens as bacteria develop flavor.
Rennet triggers milk to form curds. Milk changes structure in minutes.
Curds and whey begin to separate.
Cutting releases whey from the curds. Stirring controls texture and firmness.
Heat helps curds firm up.
Whey is separated from the curds.
Curds are now ready for shaping.
Exact measurements ensure consistency.
Curds take their final shape.
Pressing turns curds into cheese.
The curds are now shaped into cheese forms.
Each mold fills evenly for your uniform texture.
Whey separates, leaving solid cheese curd. Pressing removes moisture and shapes cheese.
Firm cheese blocks emerge from the press. Brining adds flavor and protects cheese.
Salt levels are carefully controlled.
Cheese is dried before maturation.
Cheese begins its aging journey.
Time transforms flavor and texture.
Cheese is turned for even aging.
Rins develop under close supervision.
Quality tests ensure consistency.
The cheese is now fully matured.
Cheese is cut into portions.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness.
Every pack is fully traceable. Cold storage preserves quality.
Cheese is shipped to markets.
From milk to cheese. Thanks for watching.